Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix can't sign in into Xbox Series account error. Press the X button from the controller. Now select the profile. Now click on the account you want to sign in. Then go to settings. Then go to power options. Then click on shutdown. Then go to shutdown. Then go to home and then try to sign in. If it is not working, then go to settings, then click on account, then click on remove accounts. Now select the account. Now click on remove. Now go back to main menu. Now press the X button from the controller. Then go to profile icon. Now click on add or switch. Then click on add new. Then sign in with your mail ID. By following the steps, you can fix can't sign in into Xbox Series.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.